Morning everybody and welcome to day 14. Sun's out, looking like it's going to be a lovely day. The weather forecast is saying that it's going to stay dry, which is going to be great. And so we are heading off because we've got a character breakfast at the Crystal Palace. So it is just coming up for 8:30. We had quite a late night last night, but we're all feeling good. And yeah, so we're going to head over to Magic Kingdom, do the character breakfast, and then hopefully get on a few rides after that. And then we are going to head over to Epcot because it's day 2 of Food and Wine. We love food and wine. We are properly stuffed from yesterday, so I'm not sure how it's going to go. But yeah, so we're going to get the bus straight to Magic Kingdom, do the breakfast, and then hop over to Epcot for Food and Wine. See you on the parks. So we just arrived, going to go through bag check.
Yep.
Doesn't look too bad. So we'll send the kids on through. Both Tracy and I got bags. It looks like it's going to be a nice day.
No rain is forecast today.
No rain, yeah.
And it didn't actually rain yesterday, it was forecast too. We had a few drops about 11 o'clock when we were sitting around the pool. It looked like it was going to, the clouds were really dark grey. We just thought, oh, we haven't got long before it actually tips it down, but it didn't. And it was lovely, and today, so far so good. No rain is forecast, so we think we might have a full day without rain again.
Which would be awesome, and it's going to be hot. So we made it through bag check. We're going to go through the ticket bit, and then we're going to try and get a fast pass for Splash Mountain before heading to Crystal Palace for a character meet and greet breakfast.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight.
So over the entirety of the holiday, we've been searching for the elusive cheeseburger egg roll.
Uh-oh, too bad.
Thank you.
Don't let that distract from the fact you said egg roll.
Ed roll, that's what they're called, Edward roll. And every time we've come to have a look, they haven't had them. We had a really great meal at the California Grill last night, but we ate about a month's worth of steak. So it's going to be like a double-edged sword. Luke's saying if they've got them, he's not having them.
Mate, we're doing food and wine today. I don't mind. I'm not eating anything.
So this is where, this red cart is allegedly where they sell the egg rolls.
It's a fallacy, isn't it?
There's no sign. We still don't believe it.
They did tease us on the first time, didn't they? That there was going to be some.
Yeah.
Going to be some because there was a sign that said it and then it disappeared.
Yeah.
They're gone.
They're gone.
Nice view of Splash Mountain. You don't always get to see it.
Might be one of my favourites. It doesn't look like the crowds have made it onto this side of the park yet. It is 9:20. So we're just heading into Crystal Palace. We've got a return time for Splash Mountain, which is going to sync up perfectly when we leave here. So heading on in. Luke's showing us his expert moves. So because we're on a dining plan, Tracy and I get to get we got our buffet breakfast back. What are we on for?
A Mickey turkey waffle, French toast, bacon, fruit like salad, and strawberries.
Nice. With a bacon, egg, sausage, pancake, and maple syrup. Just done Big Thunder Mountain, and we've just done Splash Mountain, got nicely wet.
We did.
And now we are heading to get a fast pass for Space Mountain and see where the day takes us.
Yep.
Are you ready to take this thing up a notch? Wait, Minnie! What time is it, huh? Since you like the song so much, we'll change the lyrics just for you. Ready? Shake, Minnie, shake. I did good. Jump to the right, jump to the right, jump to the right. All right, guys. Jump. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, jump. Here we go.
How cool is that? How cool is that? So the heavens have opened.
That was not forecast. And that's so quickly.
Fortunately, we're right by PeopleMover, so we're just going to hop on and...
We love the PeopleMover.
Yeah, that's worked out well.
They just set up to do the baby race today.
I know. So there's no rain forecast for today. However, it's coming up to 12.
Yeah, car park.
And it is pouring down. Fortunately, we were super close to PeopleMover. So we just hopped on, but it is... Yeah, hopefully this will pass pretty quick.
It's just like typical Florida rain. You get like 2 or 3 drops. So you think, is it going to stay or is it going to go?
Yeah.
Along the way, you can preview many of the exciting places you'll want to be sure to enjoy today.
Like
while
no
visiting
warning at all.
Disneyland.
I know it was a bit mad.
Yeah. Probably raining
It
though.
does look like it will pass in a minute or two, hopefully.
The
By the time we
PeopleMover
get
is
off
the perfect vehicle for people
Yeah,
watching.
Daisy and I have got a fast pass for
You never know.
Space Mountain, so we can hop off, leave Tracy in the rain
in a shop.
in a shop, and yeah, go on Space Mountain. So we're currently on PeopleMover. It's broken down, but PeopleMover is a really good ride to go on. How would you describe it?
Well, it's just really calm and sedate. You just sit and it's really nice. Yeah, it's like an outdoor monorail, I guess.
Yeah.
Where you go around, get some nice views of... Wait till she finishes. You get some really nice views of Magic Kingdom as you're going around.
Yeah.
Hopefully we're off again.
And you get some nice sort of backstage bits as well. So we're going through a shop.
Yeah, that one, yeah.
At the Tomorrowland Speedway, lift the pedal to the
You get a
metal.
good view of the
Speed towards
speedway.
the checkered flag in your very own race
Some
car.
wet races out there.
This is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
It's easing up now.
I think sort of over in this direction is where the Tron roller coaster is going to be. This is the stuff legends are made of. What have we got here?
Cheeseburger, egg rolls.
The lady remembered me from the other day.
Fourth time lucky.
Right, who's going in first?
Just got dripped on. Hot.
Hot.
They're going to be really hot.
Also, before you bite in, look how lovely it is now.
Yeah.
And like 40 minutes ago, it was chucking it down. It's super hot. Right, what do they smell like?
Hot. Yeah.
Thoughts?
Difficult to say in the mouth. I'm going in. Wow. Yeah. Really good from you.
Hmm? Yeah. I don't put my hand through the...
It's like a deep fried cheeseburger.
It's like someone has squished up McDonald's cheeseburgers, wrapped them in pastry and fried them up.
So good, isn't it?
It's so good. So if you want the cheeseburger egg rolls, they're right opposite Aladdin's magic carpet, next to Jungle Cruise, red cart. So we've done the egg rolls. Now we're cheeky ride on.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Obviously. So that's Pirates done. Daisy got a bit wetter than usual.
I got very wet.
I think you do get wetter on that ride now.
I do. She was really in the splash zone. We were in the last row of the boat. And she was on the far side as you go in. So if you want to get wet and splash, that's where you need to sit.
Into that line, you right there. One big long line. Ladies, you happy? And you?
No worries.
Anyone else?
Yeah. Well, that's it. Fond farewell to Magic Kingdom for a year.
For now.
Yeah. It's always a sad time, isn't it? But
But we'll be back.
as I've said so many times, so much fun. I think the planning and booking of the next trip is as fun as the trip.
We're already doing that in our heads anyway, so.
Yeah. Right. Back to the pool, bit of a swim.
Yes, it's hot.